Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add new account on Chrome. Adding a new account in Google Chrome allows you to keep separate profiles for different users, each with their own settings, bookmark history and extensions. Here's how you can do. Open Google Chrome, click on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the browser. In the drop down menu you can click on add button, tap on it, then after a new window will open prompting you to sign in Chrome. There you will see click on sign in and enter the credential for the account you want to add. If you don't have an account you can make it, then continue without, and then if you can sign in with a Google Chrome, all your data will be synced to the new profile. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.